Everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISS MS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on transport catering part 2. In this session, we will learn about transport catering service procedure and menus. Objectives of this topic. By the end of this topic, student can understand how to compile menu in transport catering. They can also understand and acquire skilled in service procedure. They can also know how to serve food and beverages according to customer satisfaction. Transport catering started as people started traveling far and wide. It created a need for food, that is, meals away from home, for medical aid, hostels, employment, hospital, nursing homes, social gathering where food is required. And these gave rise to transport catering, which is again divided into groups: medical aid, social, education, employment, tourism, and transport. It gave rise to specialized meal also. People ate food in the short time, and it gave rise to a mass feeding different timings. The meals are fanciful and have a great variety for people who socialize and go to functions, receptions, clubs, sports, or restaurant. For students who are hosteliers or having a school meals, the meal fulfill their dietary needs. So this is all about transport catering. Service procedure in airline. There will be a combination of a trolley service and tray service. Meals are arranged in individual portion containers, sealed, chilled, and then it is stored. The economy or tourist class meal is often served with a plastic or melamine tray. Disposable mats, placemats, cutlery, tableware, and napkins are given in a airline service. Disposable glasses are also given for any required drinks. Today, airline catering has become much more sophisticated, and airlines are taking more care to plan more appetizing and various menu. Now in this picture you can see how the airline catering service procedure is carried out in a tray. Initially, in flight services were limited and only light meals were served. Now, some of the flights they are serving a very exclusive menu. This system is continue started to make international journeys. This made it necessary to serve more substantial meals, which resulted in the development of the flight kitchen, which meet the demand. And how in first class passenger service is carried out. Business and first class passenger will often receive service equivalent to that of first class hotel or restaurant. The service how we are providing in first class hotel or restaurant, the same way we are providing in a first class passenger in airline. The first class service may offer joints of meat that are carved from a carving trolley. Okay, this trolley moves up the central aisle. Serve the food with appropriate garnish and vegetables is very important. In the this catering, like bone china crockery and silver plated tableware used while the meal is being served. Understand the dinner menu of airline. In dinner menu, generally it is served from the starter itself. Okay, you can serve the roasted Mediterranean vegetable salad with bocconcini cheese. As an alternative to butter, olive oil is available upon request. Please ask your cabin crew. In the main course, you can give fried chicken with rice, majboos, and aubergine stew. The meat used in preparation of this dish is certified halal. Wild mushroom risotto with soft herbs, parmesan and mascarpone, also cheese you can serve. Airline menu in dessert, you can serve key lime pie with black currant confit. Coastal cheddar and Somerset Camembert cheese is also served with grapes and biscuit. There will be a selection of fruit also given to the guest, or alternatively, may we suggest hot chocolate with warm chocolate chip cookies. With this, airlines supply its own equipment such as tableware, crockery, and glassware. Some airlines have stopped providing metal cutlery to avoid extra fuel which is caused due to the weight of cutlery. Serving food is difficult for a short duration in flight. Catering service procedure. The train would halt for required amount of time to allow passengers to avail of these facilities. Rail food service can see the introduction of tray service, same like airline service. Food and drink is served on trays to passenger at their seat. Orders can be taken from guests and given to pantry on board. Trolley service operation also can be taken on train is also provided on move. This is the image of a railway catering service procedure. Catering to railway passenger both during the journey as well as during halts at different railway station can be provided, and hence it is called as railway catering. Traveling by a train for a long distances can be a very tiring, and hence a constant supply of varieties of dishes is very important for railway catering. Service menu. How to compile menu for rail service or on train. So in this we can have the menu which can be served as a all day or a whole day we can serve. So in this we can have the please choose from the following. You can give the option in the selection of your menu. A creamy egg mayonnaise topped with sliced egg and a hint of tarragon. You can give the option of sandwich on soft grain bread served with hand cooked crisps, or instead of this you can give a traditional deep fillet steak with the red wine and pie served with the salad garnish. And the marine service procedure. Marine catering includes the catering for passenger as well as the crew on board. The modern day luxury cruise liners have high standards and equipped with the facilities. Let us understand how the procedure is going on. Like sea catering services is fully licensed and insured food serve. A wide range of food and services is offered to guests. Some ships have lunch and dinner buffets spread focus on mess. There could be a mini bar and restaurant on a single ship. And how the order is taken in bar and restaurant, same way we can take the order in a ship also. The image of the marine catering service procedure. The catering is responsible for preparation and serving of foods to the crew on board of a ship. So here you can see how he is carrying, and rest of the places all the buffet is laid. Marine menu. Apart from the different meals served in the most professional way, social activities like parties, dance, etc. are also organized. Events like birthday parties, anniversary, etc. are also celebrated to provide entertainment and create goodwill. The menu serves are exclusive and quite elaborate to provide ample amount of choice. So here the example of marine menu is given. Here the salted salmon with dill mustard sauce you can serve, deep fried white bait also you can serve, garlic herring, smoked lamb with mint jelly parsley, and brown bread with cheese and butter. With the marine menu, we can have jacket potatoes served with vegetable tagine accompaniment with the salad dressing. We can also give in dessert date and cherry loaf cake, or we can also serve a selection of fruit. Link is given for this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic, though the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Watching this video. If you have any kind of query or question related with this video, please let me know. Have a great time. Thank you. Below mentioned references are given for this video.